welcome back to another video and welcome to my first Christmas vlog. Hope everyone is doing wonderful today. So I have a few errands to run today, so let's start this vlog. So yeah guys, my first stop is at Total Wine, the liquor store, and this is where we are going to get some gifts for our valued customers who have been so supportive throughout the year. So let's find some gifts. So yes guys, I found a few gifts. So these are the gift sets that I found in Total Wine. They come with 1 liquor and 2 glass, and these are perfect gift sets for my liquor lovers. So my next stop is at Macy's.
Alright, this one.
Yeah, and it says 40% off the original price. So I'm doing my Christmas shopping. Not feeling well today, but I need to change the stuff a bit. Here, don't decide. So I'm home and I'm about to continue with my Christmas tree decoration. I've started this from last week and I haven't got the chance to finish. So I'm going to use today and finish decorating my Christmas tree. And I'm also going to decorate my balcony with some pepper lights and stuff like that. So you guys just continue watching and yeah. So I took a break to eat something, and this is a cup salad that I purchased at Chick-fil-A. So I'm gonna eat this salad, and then I'm gonna get right back to decorating the balcony. So now I'm about to decorate the balcony, but first I must clean up this mess from the palm tree. And speaking of palm tree, this palm tree is my baby. I really love her. She's been with me for a year now. I purchased this palm tree last year, October, and she's still alive and she's still well, and I treat her as if she's my baby. I water her every morning, sometimes in the evening. So yes, this palm tree brings life to my home, and when I bought it, it was very tiny. So it is growing and it's flourishing, and this is what I use to determine the growth of my home and stuff like that. So yeah. So that's it for Vlogmas number 1. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Peace out.